Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, November 22nd. We continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled An Invitation. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Helen Luke. Yours is to live it, not to reveal it. Helen Luke was a very wise woman, deeply grounded in the life of the Spirit. I knew Helen during the last 2 years of her life. During that time, she was a mentor to me. These words are from our last conversation. Yours is to live it, not to reveal it. They troubled me, for I have spent my life becoming a writer, thinking that my job has been just that, to reveal what is essential and hidden. In the time since Helen died, I've come to understand her last instruction as an invitation to shed any grand purpose, no matter how devoted we may be to what we're doing. She wasn't telling me to stop writing, but to stop striving to be important. She was inviting me to stop recording the poetry of life and to enter the poetry of life. This lesson applies to all of us. If we devote ourselves to the life at hand, the rest will follow. For life, it seems, reveals itself through those willing to live. Anything else, no matter how beautiful, is just advertising. This took me many years to learn and accept. Having begun innocently enough, there arose separations. And now I know that health resides in restoring direct experience. Thus, having struggled to do what has never been done, I discovered that living is the original art. Wow, goosebumps. Anyway, take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. And remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about this moment. It's already good enough, just the way it is. And you, by the same token, are already good enough, just the way you are in this moment. Everything is sufficient, just the way it is. Nothing needs to be changed. See if this reminder helps you get a sense of spaciousness, a sense of certain freedom. If it helps you to enter a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can flow through you simply as energy that they are, without struggle. See if you can rest in the simplicity of the moment for just a few breaths. And now, take a moment to think of your life as a story that has not yet been written. Breathing slowly and gently, relieve yourself of the responsibility to record your own story. Instead, imagine your path as the patch of sky a bird flies through. Now just breathe and fly. Breathe and fly. How does it feel like? Can you set an intention to enter your day simply breathing and living without any other grandiose, important agenda? How does that idea sit with you? How does it feel? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of your practice, check in with yourself to see how you're doing right now. What's going on for you? Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to simply breathe and live and notice how that feels like. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.